Assalamu alaikum. We are learning statistical data handling and it is question 8 of exercise 15b. The line graph shows the number of people in a town in each year from 2002 to 2012. Between which 2 years did the town have the greatest increase in the number of people? Using data from the line graph, construct a table showing the number of people in the town over the 11 years. Find the percentage increase in the number of people in the town from 2009 to 2012. Suggest a reason for the sudden increase in the number of people in 2012. A line graph is given over here. We can see in the line graph that the number of people is recorded along the x-axis from 2002 to 2012. Years are shown along the x-axis from 2002 to 2012 and along the y-axis number of people in thousand are shown. And along the y-axis number of people in thousand are shown. In 2002 there are 8,000 people and in 2003 there are 6,000 people. In 2004 there are 9,000. In 2005 there are 10,000. In 2006 there are 12,000. In 2007 it is 14,000. In 2008 it is 15,000. In 2009 there are 16,000 and in 2010 there are 18,000. 2011 there are 19,000 and in 2012 there are 25,000. The line graph shown in the book is more clear and you can easily read the number of people in thousand. In part 1 it is asked between which 2 years the town had the greatest increase in the number of people. You can see from the line graph that there is a sudden increase between 2011 to 2012. The town had a greatest increase between 2011 to 2012 and we have converted the line graph in the tabular form. First column is of years. The years are starting from 2002, 2003 till 2012 and from the line graph we can see that in 2002 there were 8,000 people. In 2003 there were 6,000 people in the city. In 2004 there were 9,000. In 2005 there were 9.5 thousand. In 2006 there were 12,000. In 2007 there were 14,000. In 2008 there were 15. 2009 there were 16 and in 2010 there were 18,000. In 2011 there were 19 and in 2012 there were 25,000. In third part it is asked that find the percentage increase in the number of people in the town from 2012 to 2009 to 2012. First of all we will see that how many people were there in 2009. There were 16,000 people in 2009 and from 2009 onward 2012 there was increase in the number of people from 16,000 to 25,000. So subtract 16,000 out of 25,000. 25,000 minus 16,000 is equal to 9,000. To find the percentage increase is equal to increase in number of people from 2009 to 2012 and the number of people in the original year, mean the in the beginning of the period from 2009 to 2012, because the first year was 2009, so we will divide it by number of people in the year 2009. We are finding the percentage increase. Percentage increase is always increase over original value and then multiplied with 100. So this is increase and the original year out of these 2 years is 2009. So increase in number of people from 2009 to 2012 is 9,000 and the number of people in the year 2009 is 16,000 multiplied by 100. Cancel out these three zeros, only 9 will be remain and the denominator 16 will be remain multiplied with 100. 9 multiplied by 100 is 900 over 16. Cut it by the table of 2 times, you will get 225 and then 4. Dividing and changing it into a mixed fraction, we get 64 56 whole, 56 whole 1 over 4%. In part 4, it is asked that suggest a reason for the sudden increase in the number of people in 2012. There is a sudden increase between 2011 and 2012. The sudden increase in the number of people in 2012 can be due to migration of people in the town.